Guide, dining, and local experiences. Instructions. Part 2. Ordering food restaurants. Table for 2, please. Do you have a table outside? Can I see the menu, please? What do you recommend? What is the specialty of the house? I'm vegetarian. I'm vegan. Have a nut allergy. I'm allergic to seafood. Does this contain dairy? Can I have this without onions? We'll have the chicken curry, please. I would like a coffee, please. Coffee. Could I have some water, please? Still water, please. Sparkling water, please. Is the tap water safe to drink? This is not what I ordered. This is delicious. Could I have some more bread, please? Can I get the check, please? Is service included? We would like to pay separately. Pay by card. Do you accept cash only? Keep the change. Thank you, the meal was excellent. Where is the restroom? Is there a dress code? Do I need to make a reservation? Instructions. Part 2. B shopping markets. How much is this? That is too expensive for me. Can you give me a discount? Is this on sale? Can I try this on? Where is the fitting room? Do you have this in a larger size? Do you have this in a smaller size? Do you have this in blue? I'm just looking, thank you. I will take it. Think about it, thank you. Can I pay with a credit card? What is your return policy? It's a gift. Can you gift wrap it, please? This is broken. I would like to return this. The quality is very good. Thank you for your help. Instructions. Part 2. See directions, transportation. Excuse me, I am lost. Where is the train station? How do I get to the museum? Within walking distance. Is it far from here? Show me on the map. Go straight ahead. Turn left at the corner. Turn right at the traffic lights. It's on your left. It's on your right. It's opposite the bank. It's next to the post office. Where is the nearest bus stop? Where is the nearest subway station? I would like a ticket to the city center, please. Does this bus go to the beach? How much is a ticket? One ticket, please. 2 tickets, please.